Thank you all for coming together here today to raise your voice for those who cannot. There is no equivalency between the Chinese regime and any other governments in the world. China does not possess a government. It does not have citizens. It is a regime that views human beings as expendable tools. It's a technologically enabled barbarism. I'm here to cry out to stop the genocide. Yes, genocide. The Uyghur people in East Turkestan are currently facing. Uyghurs, may our name also pierce not just your ears, but your heart. Our people are being exterminated. There is too many witnesses to this barbaric regime's atrocious crimes. Crimes that include forced marriage, mass rape, forced abortions, forced sterilizations, arrest, torture, child abduction, slavery, indoctrination, brainwashing, organ harvesting, crematoria, medical experiments, genocide. The world cannot deny our cries any longer, and they cannot justify looking away. Yes, it seems the international community has invited the murderer to judge his own trial in United Nations Human Rights Council. China used its blood money and has silenced the United Nations. They have silenced the World Health Organization, the NBA, the Hollywood. They have silenced the International Olympic Committee. They have silenced the academic institutions. We cannot be silent any longer. Silence will not save you. Even complicity will not. Millions of innocent Uyghurs must be free. My sister, Dr. Rushan Abbas, must be free. Did the CCP expect us to go silently to our graves? We will not. The Chinese regime is foolishly clinging to their evil ways. How will they be able to defend themselves? They cannot. Justice will be had, and the truth always prevail. The name of China has been ruined, and this shame will not be erased for 1,000 generations. We demand of the entire world, do not be counted with them. The conscience of the world is being tested today. We use our words as weapons. By them, the oppressors are condemned. The Chinese regime and the Xi Jinping have shown that they will fear most our words and the thoughts which lead us to action like this today. May their worst fear be realized as citizens of the world unite in saying, resist China. I am here to warn the world. The fate of the Uyghurs is what stands before us all, unless if we act now. We must unite against this authoritarian monster to save the soul of the humanity. Thank you.